Is it possible to recover my deleted WhatsApp account?
Hello there. In today's video, we're addressing a common concern for many WhatsApp users. Is it possible to recover a deleted WhatsApp account? Let's dive into it and find out.
Can a deleted WhatsApp account be recovered?
Before proceeding, it's important to clarify a key distinction. If you've deleted the WhatsApp application from your device, your account is likely still intact. Simply reinstalling the app and verifying your phone number should restore your account. However, if you've specifically deleted your account from within the WhatsApp settings, the situation is different. WhatsApp's official policy, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, is that once an account is deleted, it cannot be recovered. This means that your message history, joined groups, and Google Drive or iCloud backup are erased.
Is there any other way to recover my data?
Even though your account can't be recovered, if you've backed up your data before deleting your account, there's a way to retrieve your message history. After reinstalling WhatsApp, verify your phone number and you'll be prompted to restore from a backup. Select the Restore option, and your messages will be recovered. However, remember that your groups, profile photo, and settings will not be restored. You'll need to rejoin groups and set up your profile again.
What if I haven't backed up my data?
Unfortunately, if you haven't backed up your data before deleting your account, there's no way to recover your messages or related data. This is why it's crucial to regularly back up your WhatsApp data, particularly if it contains important conversations you may need in the future. In summary, while a deleted WhatsApp account itself can't be recovered, you can retrieve your message history if you've made a backup before deletion. So, always remember to back up your data regularly. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to ask. See you in the next video.